Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate product descriptions with Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come in the left hand panel, click on chat, and once you have a new chat here on the right hand side, I want you to choose an appropriate model. I suggest you go for Gemini 2.5 Flash, or you can even go for a Gemini 2.5 Pro, okay? And what matters most here is prompt design and text generation. So let me show you an example. First, I am, defining the AI's role, the persona. So I've told it that you are a witty, energetic copywriter for a Gen Z audience, okay? And now we give the product information, basically the input. So the product itself will be lightweight, a moisture wicked, running shoes in neon yellow with a carbon fiber plate. And the target audience is marathon runners. And now we get to the format and tone. This is basically the constraint that I'm having. I'm specifying the desired output. So I want it to generate a product description under 50 words, and the tone must be motivational and slightly edgy, and use an emoji. Okay, and I've given some examples where I input the product, and this is the output product copy. Okay, it is recommended that you go ahead and use some examples so it knows exactly what to do to guide the model style and structure. And then finally you just hit run and we wait for the model to work its magic. There you go. That one was actually good. Really good job. It nailed it. So that is how to generate product descriptions with Google AI Studio.